What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on Windows 11. We will tell you the method and the step you have to use to fix this problem, so stay tuned and watch the complete video. Method 1. Restore point. Here you have to restore your Windows 11 PC to the back date when your settings were working correctly. To restore your Windows 11 PC, click on Windows icon, type in here RSTIUI, click on Open. You'll see a screen like this. Restore system files and setting. Select choose a different restore point and click on Next. Afterward, you'll see an option here, show more restore point. Check that box and you'll see list of restore point. Select the date when your Windows 11 was working fine and your internet problem was not there, and select it and click on scan for affected programs. Once you'll click on it, you'll see scanning for affected programs and it will show you the list of information in here. Program and driver that will be deleted, program and driver that might be restored. So if you're satisfied with the result, just click on close, select your restore point, click on next and restore your Windows 11 PC to the back date. Method 2. Check network status. Here you have to perform two steps. Step 1 is ping testing. To perform a ping testing, you have to click on Windows icon, type CMG, click on Open, type in here IP config and press enter. You'll see default gateway information in here. You have to type ping space 192.168.0.1 and press enter. We perform this ping to test the connection between the router and the computer. We are receiving the proper reply or not. If we will not receive the proper reply, then we do a troubleshooting between the router and the computer. If we are receiving a proper reply, then we go with the next step, which is ping space www. You can type any website in here like Yahoo or any other website. I'm typing google.com and press enter. Here you can see I'm receiving the reply and the timing shows 3 ms. There is no loss, so my internet is working perfectly fine, so there is no problem with that. As you know that my internet is working fine, so I'm receiving a proper reply. You might see a different number. That means there are some problem with your network. After performing the ping test, you have to follow a step 2, check proxy settings. To check the proxy setting, click on Windows icon, click on settings, click on network and internet. Here you'll see proxy, click on it. Here you can see some information, use setup script and use a proxy server. Click on setup. Here you can see use a proxy server. You can check that information from manual proxy setup options as well. But if there is any kind of proxy showing up in here, then click on setup and turn off this option and make sure you remove the IP address showing up in here. After that, you have to open other setting as well. For that, click on start icon, type inet cpl.cpl. Click open, click on connection, click on LAN settings and make sure you check this option as well. I know a lot of you know about the network things and you'll say that both of them are same, but in my case I have seen these problems on a lot of computer, so I know about it. sometimes these things goes on the opposite direction. So that's why you have to uncheck this option and select automatically detect setting, and afterward click on OK, apply and OK, and restart your PC and check if it helps you to fix your problem. Method 3. Check network control panel. For to check the network control panel, click on Start, type in here Run, click on Open, type ncpa.cpl, click OK. Here you'll see your Wi-Fi information. I'm getting Ethernet, so I'm gonna do a right click on Ethernet. You'll see Wi-Fi information, do a right click on it, select Properties, click on Internet Protocol version 4, click on Properties, and make sure you set up this option as obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. I have Google DNS server in my DNS server settings, so it's working fine, so I do not have any problem with it. After doing this, click on OK, close and restart your PC and check if it helps you to fix your problem. After changing the setting, restart your PC and check if it helps you to fix your problem. Method 4. Troubleshoot Network. Click on Start, click on Settings, scroll it down, you'll see Troubleshoot option in here, click on it, click on Other Troubleshooters, you will see Internet Connection, click on Run and run the troubleshooter. Method 5. Network Driver. Here you have to update your network driver, because in most of the cases driver cause a problem, and because of not having an updated driver you might be facing this problem. For to update your driver, do a right click on Start, click on Device Manager, select your network adapter, do a double click on network adapter or either click on this arrow. You'll see your network adapter information in here. Do a right click, click on Update Driver, select Search automatically for driver. If this option works for you, then it's good. If not, then you can select this option as well. Search for updated driver on Windows Update, or you can go with this option as well. If the second option does not work for you, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers and you'll see your driver information in here. Select it and click Next and install the driver. Method 6. Network Reset. Here you have to perform a network reset, and a lot of users added their comment on tech forum that network reset usually fix their problem on Windows 11 PC. So what you have to do in here, click on Start, click on Settings, click on Network and Internet, and here click on Advanced Network Settings, scroll it down, you'll see Network Reset option in here, click on it, click on Reset Now. It will take some time, approximate 5 to 10 minutes to reset your network. Just give that time and reset your network and your problem will get resolved. Method 7. Fix Wi-Fi connection problem using command prompt. In this method, we're gonna use some commands to fix your Wi-Fi connected but no internet problem on your Windows 11 PC. To perform all of these commands in your Windows 11 PC, click on Start, type CMD, select Run as Administrator, click on it, click Yes, and type the commands. All the commands are mentioned in the description, so you can copy it from there. The first command is net sh win shock reset and press enter. Afterward, net sh space int ip space reset, press enter. Afterward, ipconfig space / release, press enter. And the next command is ipconfig renew /renew. Press enter. It will take some time to perform this command. And after this, you have to flush the DNS ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. Afterwards, simply restart your PC, click on start, click on power icon and click on restart. Alright, as you can see, my Windows 11 PC restarted, and after performing all of the method we have explained in this video, I'm pretty sure if you'll try the method one by one, you will get your problem resolved. If nothing works, our method 7 will definitely works for you. Even after that, if you are facing a problem, do let us know in the comment section. We will surely try our best to help you and solve your problem. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.